Hi, my YouTube family. How is everyone doing? I am recording this in my workspace, and excuse the junk. That's how it look. I have been gone for what, months. Oh, look at the skin is popping, you guys. I've been doing some work on my skin. So yeah, you will see a change, and I plan on getting a tummy tuck too. So I've been going back to the gym. I've been back to the gym, I think about like 2-3 weeks, and I feel great. So I'm starting my weight loss journey all over again. If you could see the plumpness in my face, I have picked up a lot of weight, unnecessary weight. So this go around, after I reach my goal or get close to my goal, I will be getting a tummy tuck, and I will document it for you. I may not put it on this channel because I want to keep this channel about making money working from home, but I will do another channel and just about, beauty regimen, what I've been doing on my skin, all of that good stuff, because I have been investing like a lot in my skin. I take different vitamins, and I want to share with everybody my results and what I have been doing to just keep myself in great shape. I am a mother of three. If you've never been to my channel before, I have 3 children, all graduated this year. 2 graduated from college. They're 23. My son will be 19 at the end of the month, and he graduated from high school. So I am through, you guys. I'm looking forward to vacationing with anyone that want a vacation with me, because I've just been housebound for so long. And me being a Cancer, I'm a homebody, but my spirit just is ready to travel and taste different foods and have different experiences. So I've been working diligently for the last 10 years to get to this point right here where I am in my life. And I will try to get on here more. What have I been doing during quarantine? Working, you guys. Trading. I still trade Forex every day. I'm a successful Forex trader, and I want to share some things that I've experienced with trading with you guys. So this is like my re-intro from being gone so long. What else? Because this video is gonna cut off in 5 minutes. So the videos will be same day, same clothes. It will be in 5 minutes. I want to talk about what I'm investing in here recently. That's why I really want to do the video, because I wasn't going to do any videos. I wasn't interested in coming back to YouTube like that, because, when you start making money without being seen, why be seen, right? I want to tell everybody about DogeCoin. You guys like my chair? I got a gaming chair like everybody else, but mine massage. So when I want a good massage, I'll sit in my chair and get a good massage. But I want to talk to everybody about DogeCoin. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. DODG coin. You can find it at Robinhood. Is where I buy mine. I believe Coinbase actually keep up with it, but you can't buy it on Coinbase. But I will leave my link. It is a referral link, you guys. So if you sign up with Robinhood, you still get that free, the free share. It's random, so you don't really know what share you're going to get with Robinhood, but you will get a free stock, and you can start buying Dogecoin. Dogecoin is dirt cheap. Now let's go back to the Bitcoin era. Bitcoin was cheap at one point, and we thought it was funny, and didn't nobody want to invest, and it was a scam, and it was this and it was that. But now Bitcoin it fluctuates between 54,000 and 57,000 at any given time. So imagine if you had bought one stock in Bitcoin, it would be worth between 54 and 57,000, depending on what day you cashed in on. So let's think about that. The stock, when I bought Dogecoin, it was 30 cents a share. Now it's at 50. Go click the link below and buy your Dogecoin now so you can be invested. Okay? I don't want you guys to miss out on this great opportunity to capitalize on cryptocurrency. Okay?